Hi, today we're going to make spinach ice cream, and this is for Bungie from East 7th Street Punks. Okay, let's make it. So this is spinach ice cream. So what you want to do is, we're not going to use sugar at all. Put a little bit of soy milk. And a handful of spinach. You could put 2 if you want, 2 handfuls. This is so people who doesn't like to eat greens, you could put it in the ice cream. I mean, if you don't like to eat greens and stuff. And we're gonna put frozen mangoes. Frozen fruits are cheaper if you buy in bulk, not in a small package. And then we're gonna put pineapple. What pineapple does, it kills the flavor of the greens. So, and then this is optional. If you want, you could have banana as well. Then we blend it. Make sure it's like Vitamix, because they're pretty strong. You can't use this on an old like grandma's blender. It has to be like really powerful. So what happened was I didn't put enough soy milk, so it's really super thick. And if you don't want to use soy milk, you could also use either almond milk. Okay, so I'm going to start it low. Okay, now the spinach ice cream is ready. So if it's too watery, what you want to do is add more frozen vegetables. And if it's too thick, just add more soy milk. So this is spinach ice cream. And what I do is, it's up to you. I add a hemp seed on the top, like this, hemp. And also, if you want more flavoring, you could add granola. And you just mix it like this. You don't taste the green because it's already sweet. You don't need to add sugar, and it's really healthy for you. Spinach ice cream. And also, if you can't finish it, just put it in the freezer.